welcome folks, Flipknot here. I'm here with my good friend Troy, aka Hookboy2 on Instagrams.
_2.
_2.
Hookboy.
I'm gonna put it like right there at the bottom, right there.
Hookboy.
Hookboy.
Put it right here.
Troy is actually the first person who ever took me out on a motorcycle ride, so thank you for that. We're taking him out on one today. He's in town from New York. We got a couple of bikes for him to ride. It might be that one, it might be one of these. Who f***ing beep. Try not to curse on here. Beep. This is a family program.
Look at the Jew hammer.
The yacht rock right there.
Jew hammer, I'm going with the Jew hammer.
We're waiting for Josh, so until Josh gets here, I'm just gonna let him ride motorcycles and let him have some fun. All right, started the KX. If anybody knows by now, the Gremlin does not get fed after midnight. So one thing you need to know about Triumphs, kickstand needs to be up and the clutch has to be in at the start. And then yeah.
Oh my god, seeing on TV is different. This is fun.
You're gonna enjoy it. I love that motorcycle.
I never. Holy shit. It sounds pissed off too.
Oh yeah.
Dude, this fucking rules. That's bad. That thing's bad. This has got bad bikes.
Bikes are fun, man. That's all that matters.
Bikes are cool.
So you want to get used to the Hebrew hammer?
Hebrew hammer. I'll be right this Jew. I'm not racist or anything like that.
It's okay, I'm Jewish.
Wide load.
You ever start one of these big girls before?
You like a Harley?
Yeah. I just always forget about that. I always forget to turn it.
I mean, that's your time sounds way bigger than this. Look at this shit. You can wear a size 13. Okay.
What are you looking for?
Just gonna turn up the music real quick.
Turn it up?
Yeah.
Weekend.
98.7 The Shark.
Classic rock that really rocks.
STP. Good song, sorry.
Hebrew hammer?
Hebrew hammer? That should be the Hebrew hammer.
Well, that is my bike.
Yeah.
So, Hebrew hammer.
Hebrew hammer.
Actually, it's Bonnie Raitt, unfortunately.
Sorry. Okay, my bad.
Well, I mean, it's a Bonnie Raitt. She rips on guitar. She rips.
This,
Yacht rock.
Yeah. I keep forgetting not in love anymore. Michael McDonald.
Well, f***ing Sunshine finally showed up to where it f***ing started. I didn't stop with the f***.
Stop cursing.
Sunshine finally showed up.
Mackerel the mouth on this guy, let me tell you.
A good mouth.
Sunshine showed up. We're finally gonna get some food, but first Troy's got to ride the Road King Kong. It's not enough. It's not.
You
all...
say Road King Kong, I say Ho King Kong. You know what I mean? Let's go, brother.
What?
Ride that hoe.
Last but not least, the 131 Road King. Can't come down to Brapstar Garage and not ride Road King Kong. Let's do this.
Nine.
Yeah.
So then, like, just get the wraps off.
Let's see what he thinks about this. Shelby said he'll ride the road glide. You can take that thing out.
Okay. All right. Holy shit.
All right, so we're up here at Coppertail. Food just got here. Sorry guys, I'm starving. Let's get this over with. We'll talk about it later. Barbecue.
We got what?
Smooth wings.
Some big
Burger
big old
special.
things, man.
Quesadilla tacos. French
Right.
tip. And hungry. Clearly the next day. By the time we got to River's Edge yesterday, all our food settled and we all got really full and we all took 3 sips out of our beer, called it a night, said goodnight. Good job, Coppertail. Delicious. Thank you. So I got some mail today and it's all really cool mail. One is very heartfelt. And I got something that I'm gonna need all your guys' help. So we'll get to that in a minute. Let's start with heartfelt. Dear Flip, thanks for making awesome videos every week that you do. I look forward every week to your videos along with the rest of the PSG crew. The other week while watching one of your latest videos, Deedles Go to the Doctor, my daughter noticed that you had a puppy. She saw it was a Boston Terrier, which is a type of dog that our family wants to get, and asked me what the video was about. I told her it was about a motorcycle guy and how he had to take his dog to the vet because he didn't know what was wrong with her and the dog was his whole life. My daughter then decided that she wanted to paint a picture of Deedles so you could have her around all the time even if she wasn't at home. She figured Deedles likes the outdoor, flowers and fresh air, so she painted Deedles in a field. Just wanted to send it to you along with the letter to let you know that even if you're not making motorcycle content, you're still making content that people can relate to. There are people and families out there whose pets is a family member and very dear to them and know how you're feeling about your pup. So again, thank you for making content. You do all the best. To you, Deedles, and the rest of the crew. John and Cameron, 77 Ironhead. You have no idea what this means to me. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I really do. I'm gonna go hang it outside next to all my other stuff. All right. Let's talk about this. I've been bartending for almost 15 years. I was a career bartender for 10. I did a lot of work. That's what brought me to Chicago. That's what took me to Denver. You know, there's things that I do in LA. I have other friends. I have a lot of friends who work in the liquor industry. One of my viewers who happens to work at Monkey Shoulder Distillery in Scotland started chatting with me on Instagram. We went back and forth and found out that we had a lot of people in common. We know a lot of the same people. We've worked with a lot of the same people. And he sent me a care package. Got some hats. Got this rad canvas apron. This appears to be bank bags. Weird bartender stuff. One of the coolest things about Monkey Shoulder is that they know how to have a laugh. So they sent these little bocce balls and they cleverly named them Monkey Balls. We got a couple sets of doughs, got some t-shirts, snooty bartender stuff. Extendable stirring spoon. Got a couple of dims, socks. Now, of this entire haul, the contents of this box is the most exciting thing for me because it's something that I've been looking for, trying to obtain for an extremely long time, and they didn't manufacture modern ones until now, I'm guessing. Snooty bartender stuff. This in the bartending community is called a jigger. It is a measuring device. Snooty bartenders use it to measure liquor. You can see right there, you have your little measurements for your alcohol. Typically, when it comes to most jiggers, you pour into there and then you pour back out. This one has a magic trick. It has a trigger. This trigger allows all the liquor to come out the bottom. So as you're pouring into your jigger, instead of having to do that, you just pour and dump. Pour and dump. This is fascinating to me. I've been trying to find who makes these forever, and Jody, you're the freaking man for getting me one. I appreciate it. Now let's go back to Jody. Okay, he shipped me a letter. Let's see what Jody has to say in the letter. There's 2 letters, all from people working Monkey Shoulder. Hopefully we can monkey around in person. Love, Ann. Thank you, Anna. I hope to meet you. We'll get back to that. Hey, Flip. Hope you and the rest of Brapstar are keeping well and still finding ways to cause trouble. We are. You all make so many people laugh and keep us informed, entertained in this shit show right now. So I thought it only right that we send you, Josh, and Shay some swag. It was great to talk to you the other day, and even more amazing to find out that our bartending families connect us. Through so many friends around the world, whether it's me coming to Florida or you coming to Scotland, one way or another, we'll make that bar takeover happen. Keep it weird, and see you all on the flip side. So, here's where we're gonna have a nice long chat between me and all of you. I've never asked much of you guys, but remember, this is me wanting to do something for you while you're helping me do something for myself. So this is a long con. I want to go to Scotland. I want to rent motorcycles. I want to drive all over Scotland, the Highlands, the Lowlands, the Isleys, the Islands. Go to as many Scotch distilleries as I can. I want to eat haggis. I want to play the bagpipes. I want to wear a freaking kilt. Now, if I can get all of you to comment down below going, we want to go to Scotland with, it makes it way easier for me for when I go to the liquor company going, send me to Scotland. And saying that I have the support from you guys saying this is something you all want to watch. Also, start buying some Monkey Shoulder too. Doesn't hurt. But I would absolutely love to go to Scotland. Me and Josh and Shay ride motorcycles all over that little island, do bar pop-ups in every city, hang out with you folks, meet all the people around, eat all the local food, and just have a rip-roaring good time on 2 wheels in a different country. So, down below, as many of you, share it everywhere, all over the place. Let's take Brapstar to Scotland, guys.
Or do we have men here that are gonna get this out of this car for me?
Yeah, I didn't see any inside. You guys want to see the sweetest goddamn thing in the world?
What?
Gotta come inside.
Is it me?
No.
Is it me? I think no.
No. So somebody was watching like the video about the dog going to the doctor, right?
Yeah, the dog doctor.
Yeah, and then I guess his daughter saw it, and then his daughter painted me a picture of my dog. Tell me that's not the goddamn sweetest thing you've ever seen.
That's so cute. That is so cute.
Thoughtful.
Aww.
And in the letter, she's like, this way you can have her with you if she's not with you.
Aw, Teetles.
That's
Yeah.
so sweet. The little lavender in the background and the
Yeah.
sun and the
Love
birds.
it.
How sweet
That
of
is
her.
so cute.
Yeah. I feel like I'm having deja vu. Like, I feel like maybe recently I might have had a dream where I didn't have to fill up with gas anywhere. Like, I might have been driving this magical motorcycle that ran on energy. Who knows? It's clearly a lot later in the day. Troy's going back to New York tomorrow, I believe. I want to go say goodbye to him one last time. I'm going to go see if I can't see some other friends on the other side of the bridge, since I'm actually making the trip onto the other side of the bridge. We discussed how I'm not fond of that. Same time, I haven't gone on a night ride in a while. The weather is currently 75 degrees. It's supposed to drop another 2 or 3 degrees. This should be absolutely awesome. $10, that's the most expensive I've spent on gas in a very long time. All right, time to party, guys. This is gonna be a great ride. It's gonna be a great test of the glide. See how she do on the bridge, because, you know, me don't like you bridgies. Also, I'm typically on very small motorcycles that can be blown around like ping pong balls. Hopefully Big Bertha right here
can take a beating and keep on licking, whatever the hell that stupid saying is. St. Pete, here we come. Let's see if we can't get some like sweet, sweeping, very gorgeous, cinematic, like lights flashing over me over the bridge. Like I'm something special. Okay, let's do this.
It's Troy's last night in Tampa. Unless he misses his plane tomorrow, we're doing all-you-can-eat crab legs tonight.
Yeah.
Any last words before we get messy?
Bang my ass. Well, okay then.
Who remembers Pookie? It's been a long time.
It sure has.
You are a great person, though. I love you, Pookie. I miss you.
I'm about to take my nose.
I'll blur it out.
Oh my god, now I want to take my nose even blurred out. Like, why all of a sudden is it really blurry on your face?
All right.
You really
I can just pass. Miss all-you-can-eat crab legs. We don't have that in Tampa, which means I'm gonna be here more often. But guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. You know how this works. Don't forget to like this video. Do not forget to subscribe. Troy?
Bang my ass. Oh no, see you on the flip side.